Hey guys, it's Master, and today we'll be playing natural disasters on Roblox. And so, I'm gonna start this new thing where whoever gets the first comment on my videos, then I'll shout them out and I'll read their comment. Can't be anything bad words. So if you say any bad words, then then you won't be shouted out, even though you forgot the first one. So, yeah, today we're playing natural disasters on Roblox. And, hopefully this one, yep. So, not a lot of people. Shout out to those people for, surviving that. And, so yeah, we'll go ahead and get to the next one. So, I'm playing on the Xbox version and not the iPad version. Just so y'all know. And so we're going to be playing in the gas station. It looks like a storm is going to come. If it's a flood, I need to climb up there. People are thinking it's a flood. Let's just see what it is. So, looks like sandstorm, so we're going to have to dodge like flying objects. And this is a really bad map to do this. Oh gosh. I think we can go up there. Let's just go up here. Alright, so I'm at the safe zone right here. And so, yeah. Look at those cars down there. And so, all the sand. Uh-oh, I think this might fall down. I don't know. So, if you're new to this channel, please like this video and subscribe to me if you haven't already. And comment down below what I should do next. And like I said, if you get the first comment on my videos, then you'll be shouted out, and I'll read your comment. So, looks like nothing's happening right now on the billboard. And so, I'm the only one up here in the safe zone. Uh-oh. Right when I say that. Come on. Okay, I'm good. Because I know that's going to fall down in a little bit. So come on, please survive this. Whoa, that's long. What does it say? No! Oh, I survived right at the end. Okay, shout out to those people for surviving. We'll do one more and then I'll have to end the video. So, let's go up here and see what the next map is. That person just died. Next one is going to be the gas station again. What's it going to be? I don't think it's a storm this time, though. So, hey, guy. And, yeah. So, I'm trying to hide. No, don't run over me. What are you thinking? Who do you think you are? You're trying to run over me? Boy? You know, I'll sit in this car. Just kidding. So, I'm trying to see what the disaster might be, but it's not giving me any hints. Oh, volcano, okay. See that little mountain right there? See that right there? That's the volcano. Some people try climbing it and they actually kind of survive. I have to get as far as I can. So probably like right here. You know what? This wouldn't be a fun video if I would have just stayed in one spot for the whole time, so just try to walk around and see if I might get smashed. Whoa, that almost hit me. Okay. And yeah, see how those people climbed up the see how those people like climb up the mountain, the volcano. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna try doing that. I'm a daredevil. And so let's go. Come on, run. No, I was about to do it. You can see it right there. Well, thank y'all guys for watching. See y'all guys later, and bye.